Have you been looking for a way to glow your skin naturally? Even at 60 years, your skin still glows and no wrinkle. Watch video to the end and you're gonna thank me later. Kindly watch to the end to know how we prepare this recipe and subscribe to our channel, and if you have not done so by now, and share this video to reach many people, and give us thumbs up. Keep watching, guys.
This is Chikwado Space Channel. This is Chikwado Space Channel. If you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado Space. Chikwado Space for intercontinental dishes. Chikwado Space for lifestyle and product reviews. Chikwado Space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly. Chikwado Space. Chikwado Space. Oh, Chikwado Space. Ana fiaro na muta mani were nka showbiz. Iga muta akwụkwọ. Inspiring check, educating check, entertaining check. For food we did, for vlog we did, lifestyles and product review, all in Chikwado Space. This is Chikwado Space Channel. This is Chikwado Space Channel. If you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado Space. Chikwado Space for intercontinental dishes. Chikwado Space for lifestyle and product reviews. Chikwado Space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly. Chikwado Space. Chikwado Space. Oh, Chikwado Space. We do food, vlog, product review, and lifestyle, and more. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like, and comment. If you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado Space. Chikwado Space for intercontinental dishes. Chikwado Space for lifestyle and product reviews. Chikwado Space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly. Chikwado Space. Chikwado Space. Oh, Chikwado Space. Ana fiaro na muta mani were nka showbiz. Iga muta akwụkwọ. Inspiring check, educating check, entertaining check. For food we did, for vlog we did, lifestyles and product review, all in Chikwado Space. This is Chikwado Space Channel. This is Chikwado Space Channel. If you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado Space. Chikwado Space for intercontinental dishes. Chikwado Space for lifestyle and product reviews. Chikwado Space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly. lifestyle, and more. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like and comment.
So after juicing them out, now you can use ice cube to drink it. Just mix it together. You can see I juice them differently. So after then you have to mix them together. You can use ice cube to drink it. Mostly in this summer that everywhere is high, is hot. Drink it with ice cube and have enough sleep. Drink more water. Just have time to relax. Have a long sleep. If you are working, make time to sleep at least 8 hours a day. This will help you a lot. After drinking this for 3 months, you will see sign. You will see your skin smooth, glowing, and you will love yourself. This is anti-age drink recipe. Just like anti-age skin recipe, you can store the rest in your refrigerator. You don't need to be juicing this every day. At least this can stay like 3 days in your refrigerator. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.